And today I wanted to give an update about the market in Sacramento. So let's talk through some quick trends, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, the median price really hit bottom in 2012, and we all know the market increased very rapidly, and it's really kind of leveled off since July. But right now, it's seeming to have a little bit of a seasonal uptick right now. But one of the problems too with the data, though, it's showing a pretty big increase, but there's actually been very few sales recently, so I think that's puffed up a little bit more than it really is. So that's the median price right now at around 260,000 in Sacramento County as of March 2014. For some context, values in 2014 for the entire county are very similar to values where they were first quarter of 2008 and the last quarter of 2003. Now, this can vary greatly depending on the neighborhood, especially some of the classic areas that are a little bit further ahead, or maybe the condo market that's behind. And so just know this is for the county. Monthly inventory was really around 1 month for about 15 months straight in Sacramento, but it's really been ping-ponging back and forth between 2 and 2.5 months lately. And right now it's just around 2 months, which basically means there's 2 months worth of houses for sale listed on the market right now. It's a really low inventory level. But what's interesting, there's really many markets within the market. Here's inventory by price level. So you could see between 100 and 200,000, there's 1.9 months of inventory, or between 200 and 300,000, there's 1.4 months of inventory, which is the lowest amount out of any price level. Okay, and so above $1 million in Sacramento, there's 10 months of housing supply. Okay, so there's many different markets within the market. To underscore that point further, you can see, for instance, over 1 million properties are taking over 90 days to sell, but really between 100,000 to 200, 300,000, it's more closer between 30 to 40 days to sell. Okay, so that varies greatly depending on the price level. Two more slides. Sales volume has been really sluggish in Sacramento County compared to previous years. Here are all monthly sales from 2008 through 2014, and you can see really the last 5 or so months have dipped below levels that haven't been seen in the last 6 years. And so, why is this? This is a question we need to ask. And one of the significant factors is less cash investors. Okay, right here you see all sales in 2013. The green sales are non-cash sales. These are regular sales, and then the red sales are cash. Look at sales in 2014. There are about 700 or so less sales in Sacramento County over the first quarter 2014 compared to first quarter 2013. What is the difference? Well, look, there's about half as many cash sales. Okay, so really what's happening in the market is the market's responding to less cash right now and trying to figure out what it's going to do, what direction it's going to take. Certainly the market was driven heavily by cash in previous years, but that's not so much the case anymore because right now at least cash levels are fairly normal in Sacramento County. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm at sacramentoappraisalblog.com. I hope this was helpful.